This is Filandia, Colombia. And it might be one of the most wholesome towns that I've visited anywhere on earth, including the likes of Japan, New Zealand. All day long, I've seen nothing but happy, polite people. It's a Friday afternoon and really now evening, and families hanging out at the park, getting out of church, etc. The wholesomeness has been off the chart. We're about 1,000 feet higher than Denver here in Filandia. I think it was 6,200 feet when I looked it up. So I'm slightly out of breath because I'm a sea level baby. The weather has been perfect all day long. This is March, so it is a little bit the rainy season. Trying the foods, the local coffee is incredible. As I said, basically everywhere all day long, everyone's having fun. And then when you want to leave, my understanding is there's no central bus terminal, but you just see the buses going to Armenia and you flag them down right here in the town square. And it's about a 45-minute ride back into Armenia. Jeeps like this, you can usually pay about 5,000 pesos, which is just a few dollars, to 8,000 pesos rather, to go do things like touring coffee farms. And it's like we're up in heaven because of the clouds. And the most important thing I want to point out is what an incredibly safe part of Colombia this is. I've been in this region for a week and it's been entirely devoid of crime. And I really mean that. There's just been nothing. Not even littering, jaywalking, road rage, none of the stuff that I would see back home in Florida. There's just no crime here at all.